Mark Hammer, Hammer Group Realtors, EXP. Subscribe here for full video tour. I'm at Colton's new listing, 555 West 14th. We're going to go check out a top floor, one bedroom unit, priced at $549,900. Let's go ahead and take a look. And by the way, I love this neighborhood. I live just a couple blocks away. You've got tons of shopping. You got SkyTrain, bike lanes, everything. And this is a beautiful street. Colton, let's show us the unit.
All right, let's do it.
What else can you tell us about the building?
Rain screened. The roof and pipes were all redone in 2003. Same with the exterior, the balconies. Comes with one parking, one storage, and it's just over 660 square feet.
What's the fun fact about this, Colton?
Fun fact about this building is that I actually used to live in not only this unit, but also that unit.
So you know the building
I
well.
know the building well. And this is the unit we're selling, 319.
Let's just check out the living room and we'll make our way throughout the rest of the place.
New paint.
Freshly painted. We've got engineered hardwood floors. Is that a wood-burning fireplace?
It is, yeah.
That's a wood-burning fireplace. Anybody looking for a wood-burning fireplace? This has got it. Now, what I like about it is it's quiet. You're east-facing. You've got a balcony right here. And as you can see, this balcony has recently been done with aluminum railings. And this is the rain screen that Colton was talking about. So all that big flashing between floors, that's what you want with a rain screen building. You got the flashing under the windows, and you got flashing above the door here. You got a nice big open space, living room, dining room. Let's go check out the bedroom. You got a bedroom that will accommodate a king-size bed if you want. And it looks like the blinds are new too. We got in-suite laundry with some extra storage there where you can put your hockey gear or golf clubs or any other sport equipment. You've got a spacious bathroom. And you've got the kitchen here.
New stove.
Brand new stove. Stainless steel fridge. Looks like they got new countertops. And now you've got this pantry right here for more storage. This unit is going to hit the market on Monday. And for $549 for Fairview, with this square footage, represents terrific value. If you're wanting more information on this, DM us, give us a call. And if you like these videos, subscribe.